Was it recorded?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did I record? Is it recording?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Yes. Fucking kidding me? Cannot wait to tell the girls about this.
So the girls about what? So funny.
That's part of the clip.
I'm done. I'm done.
I'm such a good actress.
I'm ignoring the shit out of you.
Yeah, that was me on the recording.
You gotta do it again. I looked dead at the camera. It was like, it was a perfectly good in here. What? Oh, it's really oops.
I need to get a purse. Oh, I haven't even stopped recording.
Ha! For real?
Yeah, whoops. Do it again, wait, hold on.
Oh, this is happening? Oh, wow.
I'm not even into you opening it.
Do I have to be?
No.
Did I just fuck the scene up?
Put it toward my face and I'm gonna say, can you get the thing off? No, 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 the banana. Reach it to me? Yeah, but not yet. Okay. Okay.
I'm not a good actor.
Hey, that's my design!
What?
That girl totally just stole my design.
What design?
My video! That was good. Good job.
Oh, that really happened? Am I in there?
A little.
My dick is on TV?
No, nope, it's not your dick. But that might be in a blooper. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
You don't have to respond to this.
They're gonna hear the machine. They're gonna think it's a vibrator. Whoops. Do I already open it?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it.